Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. Now just here on the right upper corner, go to this icon, and as can you see, we are just logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now I'll show you how to remove or log out from one from these accounts. And just to do that, you should go to the manage accounts on this device section. Now just here tap on the Google, and as can you see, we got here these our two accounts, and for example we want to log out from the second one. Just to do that, tap here once on the this account, and here on the right upper corner go to the two dots icon and just tap here to remove account and confirm your action by tap here again on the remove account. And now, as can you see, we just stay only with our one account. And now we'll go back to the Gmail application and we'll check. Yeah, as can you see, we really stay only with one Gmail account. And so that's how it looks. That's how to log out from Gmail account on this device. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.